Okay, great. Raise your hand if you had like a really good positive shred experience and you loved working with your consultant. Nobody. Wow, that's a surprise. I built ZeroDraftAI. We have a platform that has capability to basically automatically process your shred using AI. And we want to basically make it so that we can automate the whole industry. So I can show off my platform a little bit. I built a demo in Voiceflow, but I wasn't able to get all the way in 3 hours. What we do right now is we take a text file, a video or an MP3 recording. So I recorded this in my car while I was driving to my parents' house, about 40 minutes. It has all the technical info about my company. What I do next is my AI pulls out threads. These are the specific CRA requirements for what they're looking for in a shred project. So you have your technological uncertainty, why that didn't work, like what conventional approach didn't work, your hypothesis, prototype, test results. If you have this, you're like eligible on the technicals for shred, and then we can actually generate a report from this. My problem right now is that we do this, we need to add additional context and have this feedback loop. And what I'm doing right now is I'm manually interviewing, uploading the document, going through this. It would be really cool if we had a chatbot. And it's awesome because Voiceflow lets us build a chatbot. Okay. Guys, I don't know how to navigate this.
Alex.
Support. Oh no. Okay, whatever. Voiceflow, I built this nice big workflow that we can't see. Basically, what it does is it lets us answer a question. So it'll ask me, like, what are the specific cost reductions? And I'm able to add this directly into my uncertainty, and then we're able to generate a final report that looks like this. Boom. So if you're interested at all, you need help with shred, or you just think this is the best presentation, let me know. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Good to present to everyone.
That was awesome. Thanks, Kevin.
What are like the personalities of the agents for the feedback loop process that you have, or do they have the same personality?
It's actually a really good question. So when we say personality, I don't really know about that, but we have certain jobs that every agent is
that's what I meant.
supposed to do. So for example, one of them, what I was trying to do now is just additional context. Like, look at this, does it fully answer the shred criteria? If not, like, what other questions can I ask based on the current context of the project? It was working really well, I promise.
Is it able to automatically exit the loop on its own?
Once there's a sufficient level of information, well, we use it as a score. So all of these uncertainties are scored. 2.8 is really weak, pretty weak. Yeah, so 3 is good, 2.8 is bad, 3.6 is good. We're looking for like it's out of 5, we're looking for above a 3. So if it's like, 3, we want to raise it to a 4, then we're good. We don't need to keep going. Or if there's not a lot of difference in the scoring, then yeah. Yes.
What progress did you make today, or try to make?
I think it's just because my screen is like too zoomed in. Maybe?
Oh, yeah.
A little too zoomed out. I can't actually see the blocks, but I built this giant... Sorry?
Run in the top right corner.
Oh,
there we go.
holy crap. So should this make audio?
Hey there, welcome to the Shred Interviewer Bot from ZeroDraftAI and Voiceflow. Automatic shred with AI. This research explored using scalable cloud functions to improve the efficiency of AI tasks that require significant
So this is
computing
pulling out
power.
one question.
The initial implementations showed promise. Can you elaborate on the specific efficiency gains observed in terms of execution time and resource utilization compared to the previous API-based approach?
Sure. The efficiency gains were like 90% cost reduction for hosting by using Lambda, with way higher. Great, I have updated the context for you. It's uploaded to ZeroDraft.com.
Well, except for ZeroDraftAI.com, so that's the progress we made today. So I just did a quick demo of here's the exact questions we would ask, but there's a lot more blocks of like, here's a selection, you know, look at the context below one question. That was just way simplified this. I wanted to do it in 2 minutes.
How do you assess like the quality of an answer and the quality of like your claim to a shred credit?
It's a good question. So I have a lot of intuition I've built up over my career of, you know, actually doing it. But there's a pretty objective like scoring system, like a rubric. You know, when you're writing your essays in, you know, high school or uni, you have a rubric to evaluate stuff. So basically evaluate on that. We have a quantitative scoring system, and basically how we do it. Any other questions?
Thanks, Ben.